Welcome to Newcastle University School of Arts and Cultures. Today I'm going to show you how to use our booking system. Whenever you are wanting to borrow kit like cameras, tripods or microphones, you must first book the equipment through our School of Arts and Cultures Connect2 booking system. You can access our online booking system through any computer or smartphone that is connected to the internet. Our website is booking.ncl.ac.uk/connect2sacs. Once on the homepage, click on the button that says Sign in to your account. Next, click the button that says Sign in with your university ID. This will redirect you to the university's login page. Here, you enter the username that you use for every computer on campus. Then, click Next. Then, enter your password and click Sign in. Once logged in, you will see your name at the top right hand corner of the page. To book equipment, click on Book the Hatch. Now you will see a web store showing all the equipment that is available to you. This will change depending on the module and course you are studying. Items that you can book will have a blue Add to Basket button next to them. Select the items that you want to book. This will then add them to a basket. Once you are happy with your selections, you can then check the items that are in your basket and then click Create Booking. Now you will see the calendar page where you can select a 15-minute time slot in which you can pick the equipment up. Once you have selected a time slot to pick up your equipment, it will automatically give you a return time. You can modify the return date by clicking on the calendar icon and choosing a different date. And you can also change the time that you return the equipment to suit you better. Once you have done this, click Update, and this will modify your booking for you. Some items can only be loaned out for a limited amount of time. If you are studying on a course that has a semester-long loan, please leave the end date as the default, and we will extend your booking when you come to collect it. Please make certain these times work for you, because if you don't collect your equipment at the right time, your booking will be cancelled. If the booking is not returned on time, you could accrue a late fine. If you have any issues with returning equipment, please come to the hatch ahead of the return date or email us at mch.loans@newcastle.ac.uk. When you are happy with your loan times, click the green Next button. Now you will see the Terms and Conditions page. Please read this page carefully as it contains information regarding the rules of loans, charges and breakages policies. Please tick the box to indicate that you agree to the terms and conditions, and then click the green Next button. On the next page, you can select your course name from a drop-down list. Once you have selected your course, there is a notes box below where you can add any additional information that may be required for your booking. Once you are happy, you can click Next. On the next page, it has a summary of your booking, including the start time, end time, and the items in this booking. This is your last chance to change your booking, so make certain you've got everything in that booking before you click Submit. Once you are happy, you can go back to the top and click the green Submit button. Once you click Submit, you will then see a booking confirmation. This will also be sent to your university email address. All items can be picked up and returned at the Hatch. We are located on the second floor of the old library building, just above the Courtyard Cafe. Typically, we are open from 10 AM till 12 PM and 2 PM till 4 PM every weekday. We are always closed on weekends, and sometimes we may need to change these opening hours, so to make certain, please check the front of our booking system website for the current up-to-date opening hours. Please make certain to bring your university issue smart card with you when you are picking up or dropping off equipment. This is how we verify who you are, and you will not be able to pick up or return items without it. Please make certain that any items are returned with the accessories included, such as SD cards and USB cables. You will not be able to return your equipment if any item is missing. Please make certain to return your items on time, as the system charges fines for late returns. If you have any late items or unpaid charges on your account, you will not be able to access the booking system and will be unable to loan equipment. If you have any questions about the equipment, your loan, or the system, please email the technicians at mch.loans@newcastle.ac.uk or come visit us at the Hatch in the old library building. Thanks for listening.